Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the update on InShot called AI Cut feature. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot and I'm going to show you how we can use this feature to remove pauses or silence from our video. But to use this feature, make sure you have updated your InShot application so you will get the latest version of the InShot. Okay, I'm going to go to my video. I'm going to open up the project I have just created and I'm going to use the AI cut feature to remove silence from this video.
This is me more.
Okay, you can tap on your video and then you can scroll all the way to the right and click on this AI cut feature, and then you can choose the language from this language list, but unfortunately there are just 3 languages right here, and I'm just going to select English, and then we can click on start and click on free unlock. Okay, and just wait for a moment. The AI will automatically remove silence and pauses from your video. Okay, and now it's done. And let's take a look at the result.
This is me more. 24 years old right now.
Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to quickly remove pauses and silence on InShot using the AI cut feature. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.